Welcome to the Ultimate Guide, Best Gaming Keyboards of 2024. Get ready to explore the top gaming keyboards for 2024. From customizable RGB lighting to ultra-responsive switches, we've got the best picks for your gaming style. Join us as we dive into cutting-edge technology and innovations for gamers. Let's explore the best gaming keyboards of 2024. Like, share, and subscribe for more gaming tech updates. For more details and updated prices, check out the links given in the description. Number 5, Razer Black Widow V3 Pro, Best Wireless Gaming Keyboard. If you want the same experience as your typical full-sized mechanical gaming keyboard but without wires, the Razer Black Widow V3 Pro is the best wireless gaming keyboard we've tested. While many wireless keyboards are built for traveling, the Black Widow V3 Pro maintains all the size, bulk, and functionality of a full-sized mechanical keyboard, including a premium tactile volume dial, media keys, an aluminum top plate, and double-shot ABS plastic keycaps. Razer doesn't skimp on the Black Widow V3 Pro. It's packed with up to 4 profiles of onboard memory and vibrant per-key RGB lighting. However, RGB doesn't stick to profiles. Advanced RGB fanatics will have to rely on software for pairing RGB, including custom effects, to profiles. The Black Widow V3 Pro connects to your computer via 2.4 GHz dongle, which we had no issues with during testing, or Bluetooth, up to 3 computers simultaneously. With RGB at max settings and no dimming effects, our test unit averaged about 14 hours of battery life, but you'll get up to 25 hours with RGB using power saving settings. You'll want to plug in before the battery hits 3%, as power saving settings kick in at that point and the keyboard starts acting a little wonky. If you're looking for a more portable full-sized wireless gaming keyboard, the Logitech G915 Lightspeed is fantastic and reliable with low-profile switches that some will enjoy for gaming and others will enjoy for travel. But for a full-sized mechanical gaming keyboard experience, the Black Widow V3 Pro is the premium choice. Number 4, Rockcat Vulcan 2 Max. The Rockcat Vulcan 2 Max is designed to dazzle you. This full-size wired keyboard not only features bright, per-key RGB lighting, which is on maximum display thanks to the keyboard's flat, shallow keycaps. 24 of its switches also have dual LEDs. The Vulcan 2 Max comes with a detachable silicone wrist rest that serves as a conduit for the keyboard's lighting. It's beautiful, and features dedicated media keys and a clickable volume knob. This is an attractive, unique-looking keyboard even without lighting. It has a slim, lightweight chassis with an aluminum alloy top plate, and flat, chiclet-white keycaps that leave the switches entirely exposed. The keyboard has 24 pre-programmed multifunction, smart, dual LED keys, which light up to indicate secondary keybinds and can also change colors to display real-time info, such as headset or mouse battery life. The keyboard features Rockat's iMaw lighting experience, which is an intelligent lighting system that interacts with and reacts to the user and adapts over time. It's definitely a dazzling alternative to the typical Spectrum cycling, and it's even more dazzling when paired with the Vulcan 2 Max's translucent wrist rest. If you're looking for a hypnotizing light show, look no further. The Vulcan 2 Max comes in both black and white colorways, with Rockat's Titan 2 optical switches in red, linear, or brown, tactile. If you're looking to save desk space, there's also the 65% Vulcan 2 Mini. Number 3, Patriot Memory Viper V765. Patriot Memory is better known for its RAM and storage than its peripherals, but the Viper V765 provides a key feel that's second to none, in an attractive, affordable package. It's been a while, but the Patriot Viper V765 is still a good budget option with plenty of functionality. It's one of the rare keyboards to come with Box white switches, which actuate faster than regular blue or green switches thanks to their slightly reduced travel, 3.6 mm versus 4 mm. The keys are the most responsive we've tested and make one of the most pleasant click sounds you'll find anywhere. If Box white switches aren't enough to convince you the Viper V765 is worth buying, it's got plenty more going for it. This full-sized keyboard has an aluminum surface with tapered edges that give it a futuristic look. The vibrant RGB keys offer dozens of different light combinations, and you don't even need to install the software to access most of the RGB effects. The keyboard also features media keys, which are more often seen on pricier boards, as well as IP56 water and dust resistance. The Viper V765 currently sells for $90, cheaper than most competitors with similar features. We wish it had taller flip-out feet and a slightly better app, but the V765 is still our favorite budget-friendly gaming keyboard. Number 2, Razer Black Widow V4 Pro. The Razer Black Widow V4 Pro is the ultimate, full-size, feature-packed customizable gaming keyboard to outfit your battle station. It's got everything you could need or want: 8 dedicated macro keys, a programmable multifunction Razer command dial for dedicated media keys and a volume roller, and a plush, padded detachable wrist rest that lights up when you connect it to the keyboard. The Black Widow V4 Pro is a wired keyboard that comes with Razer Green, clicky, or Razer Yellow, linear, mechanical switches. It features an aluminum alloy top plate, double-shot ABS keycaps, and has bright, per-key RGB as well as underglow with a total of 38 zones when the wrist rest is connected. It's not our favorite gaming keyboard for typing on, that's up next, but the typing experience is decent. The Razer Green switches are tactile, clicky, and loud, and the case has 2 layers of dampening foam. The main downside to this keyboard is its size. It will take up a large portion of your desk, especially if you use it with the detachable wrist rest. At $230, it's also pretty pricey. Those extra buttons and dials are only worth it if you actually end up using them. Number 1, HyperX Alloy Origins. The HyperX Alloy Origins compact and quality build makes it the best gaming keyboard for mainstream gamers who just want to get down to gaming. It's comfortable, with a premium look and feel from its keys to its frame and vibrant RGB lighting. If you're familiar with linear switches, which are quick but offer little feedback, you'll feel right at home with this keyboard's red switches. We've also tested the clickier version, which uses HyperX's Aqua switches and is also available at Amazon and HyperX's store. For over $100, you can find gaming keyboards with more luxuries, such as media control buttons, a USB pass-through port, for easily plugging in another accessory, like your best gaming mouse, and more advanced software. The Alloy Origins is definitely a no-frills keyboard, but what it does offer, it executes very well. If you're not looking for a full-size keyboard, HyperX does offer smaller, and cheaper, versions of this keyboard. We've also tested the HyperX Alloy Origins 65 and the Mini HyperX Alloy Origins 60, and HyperX also offers a TKL version, the HyperX Alloy Origins Core. Thanks for tuning in to our ultimate guide, Best Gaming Keyboards of 2024. If you enjoyed discovering the latest in gaming tech, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Stay ahead in the game with our upcoming reviews and stay connected for the latest updates in the world of gaming peripherals. See you next time for more thrilling tech explorations.